Learning how to focus is a skill. Now hear me out. Focus is our number one scarcest resource. You could argue time, but the time kind of plays into that. So let me explain. Learning to focus is a skill. Eliminating distractions is the mechanism to achieve the skill. But your focus, it's still so hard for me to focus. The amount of distractions, I don't even use my phone. I've completely turned my YouTube off, so I don't have a home screen. I don't have any notifications at all on my computer. And there's always something that my brain is searching for. It just wants stimulation. And I don't think, if you say that you're different or you say that you're greater than your environment, I think you're just lying to yourself. For me, when I was playing video games a lot, it's having the app on my computer, that was I just know how my brain is wired. I think humans are innately the same, and we are not greater than our environments. So that's what I want to touch on today, is that the environment is greater than your self-discipline and your will. So focus is a skill in the fact that you systematizing it's really about clarity, honestly. It's about knowing what makes your brain tick into getting in a distraction, tangent, you know what I'm saying? 1 second you could be working on, for me, it's you're working on your AI automations, you're working on your business, right? And then you don't have anything else to stimulate you, like YouTube or anything. I disabled it. I don't have any social media on my phone. And I'll catch myself just scrolling through my email. Our brains are just so wired for dopamine. And it's been been really telling and revealing for me. And that's why I wanted to make this video. Learning how to focus is a skill. I'm still tuning in my daily routine. Some people have 20 different things before they even sit down to go to work, the ice bath meme with Ashton Hall, or taking cold showers, doing a cold plunge, running 30 miles, and then you haven't even done any work, or you know what I'm saying? So I'm still working on dial that in. I've really just been waking up at 5 a.m., brushing my teeth, putting this on, and getting to work. Putting my Apple headphones on that noise cancel, love those things. Binaural beats, N8N, and then the voice agent platform retail, and that's it. Literally just diving into code. So I've been getting better at this, but I still find myself veering off. If I'm needing some troubleshooting, right, I might need to look up a YouTube video. And then all of a sudden, I'm getting distracted, or the YouTube video is shit. I'm just if I just got into the code and went into the developer, you know how each software has their own documents and tutorials, basically. If you just dive into the native N8N chatbot or AI, it'll tell you, you can give it links. You don't need YouTube videos at all if you're going into the space, which is mainly AI operators that I'm talking to. Getting a little sidetracked, but my point is that when you're working on something, try to find a solution that doesn't involve going on YouTube, for example, is a big one for me. Because I don't know what happens, but it's just it's your brain is so native to this platform that it's easy to veer off. And Unhook, it's a YouTube extension, really helps me. But yeah, so I think focus isn't something you just wake up with, is my point of this video. It's really something that you have to deliberately design. You have to design your focus, which comes from designing your environment. And it comes from having a routine that you do every single day. It comes from the night before, having a task that you wake up and you know what you're gonna do. That's been the 3 biggest things for me that has helped me out. And I've been getting so much done in the morning. This is actually an insane hack. But that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you're still watching this video, I do have a free Discord community. And if you're watching right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So I want to talk to you. I want to connect to you. I want to connect with you. So hit the Discord below. See ya.